literally tearing this thing apart.
Nice.
Teens, reminding you guys to subscribe. Subscribe, dang it.
All right. We are ready to go shoot a video, which means Kevin has this sweet thing out. We got this sweet thing sitting outside. Yeah, we're all excited.
The monster. Yeah. She's complete. So. Those lights, man. Sorry, my windshield's dirty.
It is. I was gonna say, so many butt guts on here. It's like hard to see the car. But I see
in the
it.
country, man.
Yeah, no, I feel you on that.
All right, well, we're here filming on the set.
Yep, we're here.
Tevin. We got a really nice spot right here, actually. So we're here on the set,
On set.
cleaning up the car, trying to get the gravel out of the diffuser.
Hashtag diffuser props.
Yeah, seriously. Look at that. It's crazy.
Oh, you're scratching the carbon fiber. Yep, well.
What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
I mean, it's just the tires picking it all up and just spitting it right there.
Yep.
But that's what it's supposed to do with the air, so.
So we know it's working.
I think they're tough.
Yeah, it's a good thing I didn't leave it in the car this time. The last time we shot 2 videos back to back, I ended up leaving the
In the other car?
No, I left it on my toolbox when I went to get my water cup. So it was pretty much worthless for the second
We're getting
video.
pretty good at
Production.
knowing what needs to happen.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep. We're figuring it out. We've been doing it long enough, we should have it figured
So we
out.
don't even need walkie-talkies, really.
I believe that, it looks cool.
Let me get a little zoom action on this. Good job driving it up in here and not cracking any
Hey, thanks.
bits.
I was driving super.
I know. Popping the hood. Help with latch.
Yes, sir. Come on down. Yep.
Oof. I mean, damn. Driver Motorsports custom suction kit with cold air box. Gets air through the side marker right here and up through here as well. Oof.
So we're back at the shop, and I just gotta say that I've ridden in a lot of fun cars around here, but this is probably the most fun car I've been in so far. Like, it's nuts. You want us to build a car like this? Let us know. We will get it done.
Shut up, Josh!
Everybody wants to
Shut up!
on YouTube.
That was him talking. That was good, right?
Just like him.
Pulling the motor out of this thing.
Obviously.
Yep.
Drop it like it's hot.
Yep.
Drop it like it's hot.
We're gonna freshen up that motor, rebuild it,
Full rebuild.
full rebuild.
Good on this side.
Oh, I like
here we
that
go.
brakes,
You just lift the car off the motor. Pull us up, Frank.
Look at that. The crusty cart I'm still using.
Dude, that cart is the truth.
I thought we had like a new one.
No, that cart held a 180.
Did it?
Yeah.
It didn't
You
break?
didn't see it when me and CJ had the.
Y'all were rolling it
Okay,
around?
yeah.
What? That little thing?
We had that whole 180 centered on that. So this is junk now, ladies and gentlemen. Me and CJ spent, I don't know, better half of Monday. Oh!
This door.
Oh!
God dang, it's hot.
Me and CJ spent the better half of Monday literally tearing this thing apart. We got literally everything off of it.
Forgot.
Yeah, you can't make this a donor car.
Bring that back and weld it, man. Send it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, the whole roof and the whole
Oh,
chassis
yeah.
is tweaked. This is the one that Chris wrecked. We did manage to get the quarter glass, which is a really big deal.
What? This used to be red.
Yeah, it used to be red. It's a red car.
You
Brown.
go, like, you look at it from this side, like, yo, I want that. Then you go over there, like, nah. Reverse Lambo doors.
All these parts are down at paint. Oh, look at that. That's how quick we walk outside and it's done.
Yeah, Dan's like, I want to record this.
Well, I got it. Yeah,
We go outside.
I got it a little bit. There ain't much.
Where put these on?
Ain't much to see.
Nice.
Teens.
Sick. Oh, nice.
Shoop. Me and CJ are working on this GTST. The guy had us do I'll show you. New GTR front bumper painted and the lip on the car. We're going through. He had to pull out the Hicus. So all the lines are out. I've got the GK Tech Hicus Delete there. I've just got to push out the old ball joints there. We've got a bunch of suspension stuff that we're doing, like new front upper control arms. I've got the rears I'm working on now. But yeah, we're getting to town. CJ is struggling with all of the getting the rest of the lines for the Hicus stuff that runs up through the front of the motor out. So he's working on that. We're knocking it out. We have done a terrible job of recording today because we've been busy. By busy, I mean we've been doing crazy stuff, getting stuff ready. So we got a couple GTRs up on the lift for the open house. Josh pulled the motor out of this yesterday. He's got to rebuild it. Look at this. We got the vlog set up on. Look at this. This is like vlogception. Watching the vlog. Vlogging the vlog. Reminding you guys to subscribe. Subscribe, dang it. It's not that hard, people. Everything's just kind of parked in here temporarily. But we got a vinyl on the FD. Looking good. We've got a bunch of these as well. So we're going to start cutting them. We have 3 different designs depending on how much your windshield curves. And by curves, I mean this part of it. Right? So we'll make a video showing you guys how to measure that, but we've got 3 different versions of it, you know, just depending on how much your windshield curves. And we're gonna be selling those. They're gonna be hot. They look good on everything, on every color. And that's a red car, and it looks hot. So, see, even Chris cleaned up his desk. Look at that. It's so clean. Josh's room. So clean. Storage room. Always clean. The guy that purchased this wanted some new wheels on it, so we got those wheels put on them for him. And look at that 2J IS300. Oh, come on, right there. CJ, what's wrong with Travis's turd?
I don't know, man.
That right there. Our buddy Brandon is out here mowing the lawn, making it look good. We were supposed to have some asphalt. That's not happening, unfortunately. But eventually there's going to be asphalt all the way around the side of the building to the other bay door. Look at him creeping up there. Hold on. He's going down that hill like a madman. That's a steep hill. No way he's going up that. No way. Yeah, I wouldn't do that. That's really steep. There's no way. Dude, he's going up that hill in that thing. In a 0 turn.
Yeah.
There's no way I would go up that.
So my dad bought a 0 turn. It's a Cub Cadet, and it had just like the regular tires on the rear. Well, he was mowing at the house, and he was like, this thing doesn't grip for shit. So he bought a set of hole shot 4-wheeler tires, like for racing 4-wheelers, and he threw those on the back, so you can't corner super quick, or else it'll rip up the dirt, but it kind of aerates it at the same time.
Oh my gosh.
It's the greatest thing ever.